Hello everyone, this is George Ponder for WPCentral.com, here to bring you a video review of the Windows Phone game Banzai Birds. Now the concept of Banzai Birds, you've got a little bird that's falling to the ground and you've got to safely land it on a target. You've got to land it before time expires, and to help you land softly you've got a parachute that you can deploy. Now along the way you'll find bonus items in the sky such as worms, plus dangers such as owls and boulders that you can crash into. Main menu, short and simple. Facebook, Twitter, links. You've got a help section, options, basically music on, sound on and off. And then you've got your start button. The game's a 20 level game to begin with, progressive levels. Got to finish level 1 to get to 2, finish 2 to get to 3, and so on. You've got additional levels coming soon with updates. Before you actually enter the game, you'll see a scoring summary of how you performed at that level before. You'll get a 3, a 2, and a 1, and a go-go. You tap the screen, and your bird starts to fall. Fall too fast. If you open it to the parachute too late, you'll hit the ground too hard and you won't be able to advance. Open it too soon, your descent slows to the point where your time will run out. Give this one more try, then we'll go to level 2. It's a game of timing. Bullseye. So from there you go to the next level. And I don't like this lag time between 1 and the go screen. And here are your worms. They're candy striped. You just fly over them and deploy your chute. And see, you slow down a lot, so it'll be close whether or not time ran out, so I failed. It's an interesting game, mildly addictive, somewhat entertaining, something nice to play for short periods of time. It is a free game, ad-supported up top, and we'll have the marketplace links and the review.